A lot of the time now, when you do hear a note of caution from people, it tends to be focused towards the crazy outperformance of the Magnificent Seven. But what is your view on their valuation right now? And I guess the other 493 as well.
Well, the Mag 7 are highly valued. Again, not the highest I've ever seen. Their PE ratios probably average something in the 30s. The average for the last 80 years for the whole S&P is 16. So they sell at twice the PE ratio of the S&P average. But they're great companies. They have big moats, huge profitability, market share that's hard to cut into, many virtues. So their PE ratios on average are in the 30s. I think that NVIDIA's is in the 50s. They are high, but those don't trouble me because they're some of the greatest companies we've ever seen, the Mag 7. But I think that the other 493 companies in the S&P 500 are selling at a PE ratio, I don't know if it's 19 today or 20 or 21, something like that. Why should the other 493, which are much more mortal, be selling at PE ratios above the historic average for the S&P over the last 80 years? So this is why I say that I think that the S&P is valued highly. And I think in a memo last year, I said lofty, but not nutty. But if you are a conservative person, and if you don't mind that much missing out on some gains, but would really mind participating fully in a decline, then this is a time when you might want to take some chips off the table.